In this video, I'll be learning about converting non-terminating and repeating decimals into fraction. A non-terminating and repeating decimal is a number that continues endlessly. Let's say, for example, you have 0.4343434343 and so on. Next one is 1.2356565656 and so on. And the next one is 45.027272727 and these numbers continues endlessly. Alright, so these are the example of non-terminating and repeating decimals since there are some digits which are repeated endlessly. Alright, so how do we convert this non-terminating decimals into fraction? Let's say, for example, you are to convert this 0.433333 into fraction. So since we're dealing with converting into fraction, so we need the part of numerator part and also your part of denominator. To look for your numerator part, you have to select the first n digits where the repeating digit or digits takes place firstly and subtract it by your unrepeating digit. In our example here, we have 0.4343333 and so on. We have your repeating digit is 3. And the first digits, which is the 3 appears first, is 043. And you have to subtract it by your unrepeating digit, which is 4. And that is your part of numerator. Okay? The next one is your denominator. So the number of repeating digits is the number of 9 and the number of unrepeating digits after decimal point is your number of zeros. In our example here, we have 0.43333. We only have one repeating digit 3, so that's 19, and then one unrepeating digit after after decimal point, that's 4, so that's 10. Therefore, this number could be converted into, we have 0.43 subtracted by 4 as our numerator part, and then we have over 90 because we have 19 and 10. And this could be simplified into 39 over 90 and further reduced into 13 over 30. So that is your fraction form of this non-terminating decimal. Next one, you have to convert this 1.87474 and so on. But let me correct first, this is actually 1.27474, okay? So typo error for number 8 there, it's supposed to be 2, okay? So you have to select or to locate or to look for your numerator and denominator part. And as we can see here in our example, your repeating digits is 74, right? And the digits or the first digits where the 74 appears first is 1274. So these are the first digits in which your repeating 74 appears first, okay? And you have to subtract your unrepeating digit, which is 12. That's not 18 but 12, okay? So this is your numerator part. Next is denominator. So since you have 2 digits repeatedly, that's 74, so that's 2 nines. And we only have one unrepeating digit after decimal point. That's your 2. So that's equivalent to 1, 0. So this is to be converted into, we have 1274 minus 12 in your numerator part, and then we have 990 because we have 2 9s and 1 0 in your denominator. So next is, this is simplified into 1262 over 990, and then this is reduced into 631 over 495. Alright, next one. Convert this 0.214333 into fraction. So notice that you have this repeating digit which is 3. And to look for your numerator part, you have to select the first digits where your 3 appears first. So that is 02143. And you have to subtract your unrepeating digits, which are they? 214. That's your numerator part. Next is, you have, since we only have one repeating digit 3, so that's 19, and then we have 3 unrepeating digits after your decimal point, so that is equivalent to 3 zeros. So your unrepeating digits 214 after your decimal point is equivalent to 3 zeros. So therefore, this number could be converted into, we have 02143 minus 214 in your numerator part, and then we have 9,000 in your denominator, since we only have 1 9 and then 3 zeros in your denominator. So this is simplified into 1929 over 9,000. And let's check if this could be reduced further. Yes, we have, this could be into form of 643 over 3,000 by dividing by 3. So this is your fraction form of this non-terminating this number, which is the 0.214333, and so on. Okay? Next one. Convert this 5.2464646 and so on into fraction. So notice that you have your repeating digit, which is 46. And the first digits which the 46 appears first is, we have 5246 and subtracted by your unrepeating digit, which is the 52. So this is your numerator part. Next one is, so since we have two repeating digits, 46, so that's 2 9s or 99, and then you only have one unrepeating digit after your decimal point, that's 2. So that's equivalent to 1 0. So this number could be converted into, we have 5246 minus 52 in your numerator part over 990 in your denominator part, since we have 2 9s and 1 0. So this is simplified into 5194 over 990 and further reduced into 2597 over 495. Okay? So this is the fraction form of your non-terminating decimal number, which is 5.246464646, and so on. Alright, so I hope that you have learned something for today, and if you do so, please try to answer this problem, okay? Thank you so much.